Hey goodies, welcome back to my kitchen. Before I get into this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a family favorite. It's a keto mom win. The kids and hubby love it, so get ready. My first step in making amazing jerk chicken is making sure that my meat is marinated well. So here I'm starting the process of making West Indian green seasoning, and you're going to see the different ingredients as we go on. So I'm roughly chopping about 4 onions because we're going to put all of the ingredients in a blender at the end. Ginger is a crucial part of this seasoning. It gives your meat a nice kick, a nice flavor. If you want to, you can use more. I just didn't want to overdo it because the kids will be eating this as well. I know this is a lot of garlic, but I really love garlic, and I'm not going to make you watch me chop all 10 of them. But trust me, your meat is going to have an amazing flavor with this garlic crushed in the seasoning. I'm adding the veggies little by little because I want to make sure that they get blended well in the seasoning. I didn't have fresh parsley on hand, so I had to settle for some dry parsley, but they both work well. It's not a big deal. As I mentioned before, I want to make sure that all of my veggies are blended evenly, so that's why you're going to see me pushing it down towards the blade. If you want, you can add some olive oil to the mixture to liquefy it a little bit more and also preserve it. Okay, so this is my finished product. This batch can last me for about a week and a half, and I add it to all the meals I cook throughout the week. I'm telling you, it takes your meal from 0 to 100. The flavors are amazing. Now I'm going to prep the chicken. I'm going to season it in a Ziploc bag so I can massage the seasonings into the chicken and then leave it to marinate without making a mess. Now I'm going to add my seasoned salt. Next, I'm going to add some all-purpose seasoning, and then last I'll add the jerk seasoning. I shared a recipe for jerk seasoning without sugar in my 5 keto meal video. I'll tag the card above. Let me know in the comments below, how do you marinate your meat? Do you leave it in a pot, or do you also marinate it in a Ziploc bag? I left the chicken to marinate in the fridge for about 4 hours, and now I'm going to add it to my air fryer. I use the Ninja Foodie. I absolutely love it. I'll leave a link below if you're interested in purchasing one. There are so many options for how I can make this jerk chicken. I can use my air crisp function, or I can use the bake function, but I want it crispy this time, so I'm going to use the air crisp function, and I'm going to flip the chicken at about 15 minutes. While the chicken is cooking in the air fryer, I'm going to make some cauliflower mash as a side. My kids absolutely love this. I just added 2 tablespoons of sour cream, and I'm going to also add 2 tablespoons of butter and then blend it. Now I'm going to add some garlic parmesan seasoning. I got this from Sam's. I believe the brand is Weber's. It gives it an amazing flavor. I'm also going to add some seasoned salt for additional flavor. So you can definitely speed up this process by adding some heavy whipping cream, but I would advise against that because you're going to totally change the consistency of the cauliflower mash and it will become watery. So just have some patience, keep on pushing the contents to the blade, and just wait for the right texture. My 3-year-old was just telling me that the blender is too loud, but apparently my 1-year-old loves the sound. He is very fascinated by it, so I don't know what to do. So there you have it, jerk chicken, air fried jerk chicken and cauliflower mash. And you see it was so simple. I think the hardest part was making the green seasoning, but once you make a large batch, you have enough for days. So I hope you try this recipe. Let me know if you're gonna try it. Once again, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.